Today we talk about a car that looked ordinary. A plain family car with only around 70 horsepower and just 3 gears. Nothing special, right? Yet in the quarter mile it surprised everyone. This is the story of the 1962 Ford Falcon, a small bird that flew faster than expected. The early 1960s were full of cars showing power, chrome, and attitude. Drivers wanted loud engines, wide tires, and cars that bragged on the streets. Showrooms were crowded with big, heavy machines promising speed. In the middle of all that, the Ford Falcon arrived. A small, simple family car. Most people looked at the Falcon and thought, this is nothing special. It was built for daily life, school runs, grocery shopping, work commutes. It had a small inline-six engine, only about 70 horsepower in many trims, and a 3-speed manual gearbox. On paper, it looked slow, it looked weak. No one thought it belonged on a drag strip. Yet something was hidden inside it, not in the engine, in the attitude. Owners of the Ford Falcon often said the same thing. The car felt light, not just light in weight, but light in spirit. It did not push or fight, it moved willingly. Drivers felt connected to it, almost like the Falcon understood the road instead of battling it. Many people bought the Falcon because it was affordable, reliable, and safe. No one bought it to race. Still, a few curious drivers noticed how quick it responded in the lower gears, how easily it picked up speed in city traffic, how balanced it felt when steering through turns. One young driver, who later became part of the Falcon's legend, decided to test it at a local quarter-mile event. People laughed, they pointed, they called it a grocery getter. The Falcon lined up at the start line next to larger and louder cars. Engines roared, smoke rose, tires gripped. When the signal flashed, the Falcon did not hesitate. It launched with surprising confidence. While the bigger cars struggled with weight, wheel spin, and traction, the Falcon stayed controlled, light, composed. It did not win the race. That is true, but it finished close enough to shock the entire crowd. No one expected a simple 3-gear family car to even keep up. The car community that day learned something important. Power is not just about horsepower. Power comes from balance, weight, gearing, and understanding your machine. The Falcon became known as the underdog that did not back down, a reminder that sometimes the quietest engines carry the strongest stories. Soon more people started experimenting with the Ford Falcon. They realized that even though it had only 3 gears, those gears were spaced well.
Hit the brakes?
Yeah, hit the brakes. That stopped pretty good.
The first gear gave a strong push. The second gear carried steady acceleration, and the third gear settled in with surprising comfort. Many drivers found they did not need more. The Falcon's weight was its biggest advantage. It was lighter than many powerful cars. That meant it did not waste energy. Every bit of power the engine made went straight into movement. On the drag strip, even small differences in weight can decide the race. The Falcon used that truth fully. There is a famous story from a small-town drag event. A driver known for owning a powerful V8 car challenged a Falcon owner. Everyone thought the Falcon had no chance. The V8 owner was confident, loud, and popular. The Falcon owner was quiet, relaxed, smiling softly. When the race began, the V8 car jumped ahead slightly, but then it struggled for grip, losing traction. The Falcon stayed planted, steady, focused. It passed smoothly. The crowd did not know how to react. A car with 70 horsepower was leading a monster. The finish was so close that judges had to check twice. The Falcon had won by a small but clear margin. Shock filled the stands. Silence at first, then cheers. People love when the underdog wins. People love when something small refuses to be defeated. The next day, people talked about that race in cafes, garages, and workshops. Mechanics and young drivers began to look at the Falcon differently. They saw potential instead of weakness. A small fire began, a movement, a belief that performance is not always about big numbers. The Falcon became a symbol of smart driving, a car that proved skill matters more than muscle. Today, when the 1962 Ford Falcon appears at car shows, people gather with respect. Some smile remembering childhood rides in the back seat. Some look closer at its engineering. Some remember the stories of that surprising quarter-mile moment. The Falcon is not praised for raw power, it is praised for heart. The world has changed. Cars now chase technology, screens, and computers, yet the Falcon keeps its simplicity. A steering wheel, 3 pedals, 3 gears, a connection between driver and road that feels human. Drivers say the Falcon speaks in its own quiet language, gentle vibration, soft engine note, a steady feel. The Falcon teaches one thing clearly: do not underestimate what looks simple. Collectors now value the Falcon for its story. Restorers work carefully to keep its soul alive. Young enthusiasts who hear about its quarter-mile surprise begin to admire it with curiosity, then respect. When the engine starts, the Falcon does not roar to intimidate. It hums like it knows its place in history. A quiet reminder that greatness can exist without noise. Even at 70 horsepower, the Falcon earned something most powerful cars never gain: a legend. Thank you for watching. The 1962 Ford Falcon shows that strength comes from balance, confidence, and spirit, not just horsepower. If you enjoyed this story, kindly like and subscribe. More powerful and inspiring classic car stories are coming soon. Stay curious because legends often look ordinary at first glance.